OpenEX miming came up with quiz just like ICE network. But guess what, guys? Since we were able to conquer ICE network quiz, so this shouldn't be a problem. But the good news is this: it doesn't have a limit. That is, unlike ICE network where you have to it's 3 attempts, and after the 3 attempts it's still no. This one is not like that. So just take a chill pill. We can work things out on this too as well, just like what happened on ICE network. So this is OpenEX. If you've not done your quiz, it's a very simple process actually. I don't know, maybe 1 or 2 people or 1 or 3 persons are having issues. Let me just give you my own insights and the heads up I know about OpenEX. So the first thing is to connect the OpenEX Testnet on your wallet, either MetaMask or Trust Wallet. You can add it manually by I can drop the I can drop the testnet, the link, the information to add it manually. Like all of this, you can add it manually if you are yet to add the OpenEX to your MetaMask. That's the testnet, not the mainnet. But for those that have done the testnet activities for this OpenEX, then you should be seeing the OpenEX testnet account on your MetaMask or Trust Wallet, whichever you're using, adding it. So now that you have the OpenEX, you can proceed to do the quiz. It's just simple. Come back to your MetaMask, click on the browser, then paste the quiz link, paste the quiz link to your browser and connect your wallet. The thing about this quiz is the questions are different. I think that's where people are getting it wrong. The questions are different. What I answered was not. I saw some of my Telegram member and they were dropping. I was like, this is not the kind of that wasn't the question I was given. So even if I give you some answers to some questions, you might still not receive the same questions. The questions they gave out are different. They change it. I think out of 4 questions or out of 5 questions, they will remove like 2 from it. They interchange it. That's just the basic thing. They interchange the question. But the thing is, since it doesn't have any limits, no limits on when you can how long you can answer the quiz questions. So, and if you miss anything, they will tell you what you miss. If you miss question number 1, they will tell you you miss this question number. So you will know the one that you miss, and you can use Google. Since you already know, use Google to get the questions, and you can pick the answer. That's it. Because I don't know how many answers to some questions I want to give out, since they are interchanging it. So now that you have the link on your connected wallet, you click on connect. And I'll connect my account. I've answered the questions. I've answered my quiz, so I don't know. I just connect my account and let's see. Long network. You see, passed. So I cannot even connect this thing again. I can't connect. You have passed the stipulated KYC test and 10 US. After you've passed the KYC, you will receive 10 tokens, 10 USDT OpenEX tokens, and you can use this 10 tokens to participate in the testnet activities, just like what they wrote here. So these are the questions. Let me show you the questions that I have. And I've said earlier, any question that you miss, they will tell you the one that you miss. Just copy the question, go to Google, paste it on Google, and you get the answers of what you're looking for. Click the moment to paste the link to get started. Paste the link on this on your MetaMask browser. Click on connect wallet. When the wallet is connected, then the quiz will pop up. You see where they wrote start. Click on the start button. Where they wrote the start button, click on the start button and you start seeing the questions and the answer. That's it. It's not something tedious actually. Any questions that you miss, when they bring it back, copy it, go to Google, or use chat GPT and you get the answer. Questions varies. They don't give everybody the same thing, so there is no amount of questions or answer that you see that will now determine that's what you're gonna receive. No, so that you will not just raise your hope. Like for instance, this is what I have. What is Bitcoin mining? What is cryptocurrency? How does money move in the blockchain? What is smart contracts? What age NFTs? Those are the questions. These are the 5 questions I was given. So the moment I got my own questions, I just had to bring it out and share it to my Telegram channel, and I think I posted it on YouTube as well. So this is it. These are the questions and answers that I have for my own head. So if I don't answer it, I can't know what they give you. I hope some people are understanding what I'm trying to say here. I can't know what they give you. So to the best of my knowledge, what I can suggest is, after you've connected your wallet, after you've pasted the link to the connect to your MetaMask that browser, click on connect. It will tell you it might show wrong network. Click on that wrong. Just click on start. It will switch the network by itself once you click on start. After you've connected the wallet and the thing is showing wrong network, click on start. The start button will switch to the right network for you, either call mainnet or OpenEX Testnet chain. So you proceed with the quiz. If it's the same questions that you are having here with me here, these ones I'm having, then it's fine. You can use this to answer it. But if they change 1 or 2 things from it, copy the questions, go to Google, you get an insight of what the questions of what the answer looks like. Just use your initiative to pick an answer. So that's where crypto knowledge comes in actually. So you need to learn as well. So guys, this is my information on my about OpenEX. I hope this works. And if you are yet to do the testnet activities, you can. I have a video about the testnet. Maybe I will attach to this. I will attach it to this post, to this video. Check the description box or check the pin post in the comment section. I will attach the testnet procedure. I will attach it to this video, and this questions and answer, this link, I will attach it to these videos too. In case you are fortunate to have the same questions and answer with me, so you can just know what to click and like that. So that's it. So what other thing? I think that's all for OpenEX at the moment. They are listing on the 13th and withdrawal commences on the 20th. So take position, do what you have to do so that you don't miss out on anything or you don't have any hindrances about withdrawal. So stay tuned, stay connected. Make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. You can as well join my Telegram channel. Don't miss out on any of my updates as well. Check out other videos about other potential airdrops, testnet activities, dipping, game fee, all of those potential airdrop activities. Check their videos. Tuna chain, lava, the flow airdrop, all of those ones. Check them out, take position, get started. Don't miss out anything. Invest in potential coin. Invest. You don't want to miss out. So this is what I have for you about OpenEX. I hope this helps and I hope it works. So you can drop your questions on the comment section and let's see how we can help you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on the next one.